Hey, Thomas and team. Pam told me to send over the screencast. I'm Corey, by the way. I'm going to shoot over 3 free tips on how you can actually start outranking your competition and really driving a lot more traffic to your website and really turn those clicks into customers and help grow your business here. The 3 things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. I've been looking at your site for a minute. Really bringing your first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. So bringing your word count up to about 1,500, maybe 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, adding that much more content, you can layer in those keywords, and those keywords are how people are actually searching for you and how you're actually being found. Even these images, this is all content back here. I don't want to get in the video. This is all content. You can actually do Woodlands Pool Service. You just do more buyer's intent keywords and take all the rest of that out. That's just going to help with your rankings so you can get on that first page and actually draw those leads in. If I go inside of Google here and type in Pool Service Houston, this is what you're going to see. You got this little map section here at the very top. A bunch of businesses trying to get to the very top in the top 3 sections. That's where all the traffic happens, is in the top 3. You can see all the businesses, even the multiple pages. To get to the very top here, you're going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is, just an online business directory with your business name, address, phone number listed on it. So what you'd want to do is come in here, go get those same citations from your top competitors. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there, completely annihilate them. So we would want to go get maybe 50 or even 100 times the amount of citations that they have. So when Google comes by, crawls, does all their algorithms, they have no reason to put you in the very top for all the work that you've done. Underneath this little map section, you got all this is the first page of Google, and really to find your pages here, you're going to be dealing with all that authoric content being found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website, link it back to your website that's just ultimately driving power to it so you can actually get your pages on that first page of Google and actually bring those leads in. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. If I take your URL here and stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is just a tool, lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. This is, so you got 41 referring domains pushing back 120 backlinks, 465 backlinks looks like historically you've had. Backlinks come and go. They probably come off faster. You can get them on sometimes. 320 keywords that you're actually being ranked for, which you're getting about 95 clicks to your site. You can actually come in and see what keywords is pulling up your website for the amount of volume and also the position and also the amount of traffic that you're getting from that as well. So you got your name here at the top. Pool Maintenance, the Woodlands, they're your 9th position. You're getting 2 clicks out of the 60. Pool Service, Spring TX, there's another 80 clicks, 10th position. Pool Maintenance, Spring, Texas, another 20 clicks. Got your name. Pool Cleaning Service, the Woodlands, Texas. Pool Service Houston, there's another 100 clicks right there. So coming in, finding all these keywords that actually you want to bring up so you can actually get the traffic off of, making sure you do enough backlinking so you can actually get on that first page to draw on that traffic is really crucial. I can actually go in here and go to one of your competitors here as well. I'm going to go to Manning Pool Service. They're right up on the very top there. Let's stick them inside of Ahrefs. Got cabinets in there right now. So Manning Pool Service, going to Ahrefs. I'm going to do a quick overview. So 315 clicks, 169 keywords, 13 referring domains, 80 backlinks. Like I said, not all backlinks are created equal. I'm going to come in and see where those clicks are coming from. Pool Service near me, that's getting a decent amount of traffic right there. Pool Service Houston, there's another 200 clicks. They got first position, 44 clicks out of the 200. Pool Service Houston, just losing the S, just different ways of doing keywords. There's another 100 clicks a month. First position, drawing in another 42 clicks. Swimming Pool Cleaning Service, Pool Cleaning Service Houston, another 100 clicks there. So really coming in, finding all these keywords, and like I said again, just backlinking so you can actually get on that first page, and you're going to notice your phone start ringing off the hook with that with the work that you actually want to get. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you get to where you're going. Or if you just want to play these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine. I do love reviews, so if you want to come back, give me a review on this video, that'd be great. Thanks. Have a good day.